Boy, niggas moving militant, boy. That boy got three on him, huh?
Real them rich.
Moving like the president.
Yeah, man.
Think somebody dumb enough to try to snatch his chain?
I don't think they're gonna do it, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, somebody did try to snatch my chain, bro.
Do it, though.
Huh?
Niggas really got some pressure.
My head shit, man.
You feel me? Not gonna lie. Hey, wait, watch out.
Let me chill out, boy. He got a gun now. I gotta chill now. I gotta chill.
Boy, why they got us putting hit us on, boy?
Man, I ain't gonna have these on when I'm hanging out that window.
Nigga hanging out that window.
Bullshit.
Got that banger. That NATO. Hey, I ain't got the green tips in right now. Right now, I'm rolling straight 5.56 regular full metal jacket. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? This is my first gun content video. If y'all like it, then subscribe, bro, so I can know what I need to do more. Oh, that boy putting that hell up. That boy.
It's finna get jiggy. It's finna get jiggy with the switchy way.
What?
You got guns to bring them to the bench.
Soft shotgun, 300 blackout, 300 blackout, and an arm.
That's the best of all. The best of all. These boys are huge.
Hey, these digging in front of us.
You wanna shoot yours first?
But I ain't never seen no yellow tips though. They go kaboom.
Boy, this bitch got switched down.
Boy,
Hold on, man. If you're gonna do that. That big got switched down.
That nigga switched. 5.56 make a nigga hold it like he went to church, bro.
What they say about that blackout?
Get you walking out of church on Sunday morning. Best believe you getting stretched.
Backseat with that blackout. Tell the driver let the seat up. With the seat up.
How far like we Uber eat?
Yeah. That long as go your pizza.
So we gonna start off with the pistols, you know what I'm saying? Start off small. We gotta get y'all to watch the whole video. Don't touch it now, you know they gonna slap you in the mouth.
They gonna blow him or slap him.
They gonna slap you in the mouth.
I might cry like a bitch. I ain't gonna.
Ask you this, bro. What's two fans, bro? Cause you know I came out here ready to really just switch that bitch.
Bro, just do it one time.
Huh?
Yeah.
Say no homo, bro. Say no homo, bro.
It's like my son, bro. It's like I'm sonning that nigga. Come on, Jay, it's your gun. You shoot first.
I'll go first.
It's my dog's birthday.
Wait, what this is? What we shooting? What you shooting?
Shooting the 5.7. Ruger 5.7.
Cause you kind of holding it weird.
No, I'm trying to show the camera, you know what I'm saying? 5.7, you feel me?
Safety on.
Safety on.
All right.
Yeah.
That nigga like that. That nigga like it.
Damn, that shit was hot.
That bitch landed straight on his arm.
God damn.
Boy, get it.
9mm. What they call that in the hood?
I did.
We go 9mm with the dicky. He did a headshot.
Get your ass on the ground.
Get on the ground, nigga.
We got the
We go 9mm with the dick.
with the
dick.
Hey, this ain't bigger than mine.
Right on top of it.
Ain't bigger than mine.
That's too far.
Let's compare.
I was joking.
That big sideways.
This groove with his hand right here, it's got this knuckle
Plus
right here.
10 active right here. Check this out.
It's on safe.
I wrap it,
And it's like this.
squeeze, like squeeze.
I ain't gonna lie though, bitch.
Squeeze the top.
Make a nigga look like these, boy.
Like, it's tickling like a motherfucker. That's crazy. Like, if one person just wanted to fuck over everybody, they could do it.
One nigga could turn his around and shoot out.
What up, Sam? Just if he felt like it, he could just.
Hey, let me ask you this.
Huh?
Battle Royale right now. You think you make it out this? Battle Royale right now. You think you gonna make it out this bit?
Hell yeah.
Free fire.
Fucking around, I make it out this bit. Alright, Joe.
Free fire.
I'm scared that be low key. I ain't gonna lie.
5.7 first. Shot the 5.7, shot the 9, shot the 40. Next. What's that?
That's the bad thing about range
4.5.
pickup brass. You don't know where
4.5.
5 next, 4.5 next.
Okay. Got the 4.5.
4.5.
4 easy.
Tell me after your first shot, tell me how.
God.
Shell cases.
Feel compared to the 40.
If it's not tight, the gun's not gonna work right.
It kicked.
There you go.
I like that bit.
Did they turn you on? Stupid ass.
I like his voice.
The smoke coming out the profile.
Jesus, that bit hit.
Smell gun smoke.
Big gun.
I heard this bitch flip a Mack truck. Hey, this bitch flip a Mack truck.
Yeah.
That bitch.
That ain't even no big boys for real.
It's really your gun, Dominion.
Word? You know, I'm waiting for
Next
that.
up, 5, 6.
Ain't gotta tell me.
Then we got 3 black. I think we got 200-300 blackouts.
Y'all, this my 5.
14 shot.
I got the
And then it's the
AR
other
with
shot.
the. Bro, I got the prettiest gun
Go ahead
here,
and get
bro.
loaded up.
This my baby right here. First shots.
Tell them what it is. Tell them what it is.
5.56. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got no green tips in.
Look the sight up.
Uh-oh. Another comment, y'all.
I ain't gonna like that, brother. I ain't gonna lie.
That thumper, boy.
Red shaking.
How you feel about that? How you feel about that?
I feel like, I don't even know.
I wish you was feeling my baby. That bit hot. Ooh. I bet you won't touch my barrel.
Yo,
My barrel.
which one?
Drumline. It's a drum, right?
Huh?
It's a drum, right?
It's a drum. It's a
Ah, yeah,
drum.
drumline.
50 AR
Oh,
hold 60.
60.
Got it with me in the city sliding. Stop playing.
Oh no, Al, you caught me practicing with my car.
Hey, that nigga down there, bro. Last week he slapped you in the mouth, right? But you ain't had your iron on you. You told him, hey, next time I see you, it's gonna be up, right?
Right.
See, you see that nigga, right? He by his lonely. You get a flashback of when he slapped you in the mouth. Talk to me.
Broke it. I'm sorry, son. Why I keep getting hit, man? Why do I keep getting hit?
It's locked open already.
Hey, what you said?
No, I'm not playing. Keep that camera running, you're
Oh man, y'all, he funny as hell, bro.
Thanks so far.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. This is amazing. You know, I'm turned on.
You know, I take
I'm about a gun, so it's no homo.
you know, I take my son with me, bro. Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday, bro.
Grown man, bro.
But nah. Damn, why you gotta touch my chain, bro? You like that, bit, huh?
That's your chain.
50,000 on my neck, and that's just up in chains.
Word. Bro, I'm outside. My homeboy gonna ask me if I got change for 20.
Nigga, 20 is change.
20 ain't nothing but change.
20 ain't nothing but change. Hey, man.
That nigga really just busting that bit like that nigga do not care about no target.
20 inside the.
Cause if you think about it, like, do you really gotta aim if you got 30?
Really don't. Bro, you know, to be real, I got a switch on my shit. I just took it off while I came in.
Oh, okay.
It can shoot 30 in like 2 seconds. Look, that's 30.
It don't take one to put them down, huh?
I look better with my glasses without.
I'm not gonna lie, with them glasses on, your eyes kind of small as a bit.
For real? I can't see shit right now, bro.
Y'all get on.
I'd probably shoot y'all if I had my glasses on.
Oh, don't do that.
I
Leave
should
it
look small
alone.
for real?
Make your eyes small.
I bet.
Ain't his eyes smaller?
My eyes small?
They like shrink your shit.
Hey, look, if you guys are here, this truck is here, you can reach in here and grab whatever water you want, all right?
Hey.
The only thing I ask is,
I love you, bro.
yeah, there's always another one here, just put it. Appreciate it. No problem.
He a real nigga, huh?
Real one.
Hey, look, pussy.
You hit planet Earth, you got that going for it.
My boy hit the
Man,
planet.
that look.
It was when you was over.
You gonna try to
Freeze! Hey, that.
throw it.
You got the blackout on him. The blazing.
Hit it to your shoulder, man. Oh yeah, that's how you shoot it.
Ah, man.
Let me see. Bro, then broke my gun.
I think you press that one there, damn it, maybe.
Yeah, it works. I usually do.
So when he was buying the Ruger, he's like, which one should I get? Boy, got a high point AR, bro.
Ah.
The more you know.
Black easy. East.
Oh, you can do it up
I think it's that bullet.
It's probably that bullet, bro. Uh-oh. Yeah. Turn me up.
Damn.
That can't be happening.
Damn, gang. It's the bullets, bro.
Hey, so far, what's your favorite?
My favorite?
What's your favorite?
Probably Ocean, I ain't gonna lie.
Where?
Bro, dick riding.
Huh?
Oh, dick riding him up, bro. What you dick riding?
Bro, what you mean, bro? Oh, that 5'5", boy.
Look, I was eating.
Yeah, these.
How you gonna say?
I'm not gonna lie.
Like you got.
Mine is like right under the blackout for me.
Yeah, that is. Yeah, see, yours got an actual, iron sight. This one got that. I just like to feel it. I say one of these two. It's the first time shooting, huh? Gotta break that bit in.
Come on, give me a shot.
Huh?
Give me a shotgun.
Shotgun?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Rappers. All rappers don't rap about shotgun.
I'm nervous. I ain't gonna lie.
AR12. Slide, you hop out.
You know you ain't scared of that bit.
Oh no, he flinching. He flinching.
Come on.
That bitch scared. Oh shit.
I know that bitch.
I don't want to know about that. I ain't like that bitch punch you on your.
Nah, 3 of them, man.
Shouldn't want.
Hey, that bitch.
They got one.
Hold that bitch.
Hold it.
Hold it.
That bitch gonna punch you hard as a bitch, girl.
This bitch flip an airplane right here. This bitch flip a. Damn.
Punch, boy.
Boy, I ain't got no more. I was preparing myself for that bitch.
Boy, this fat boy right here. Got the 12.